Hey there, health seekers. Struggling to lose that stubborn belly fat? You're definitely not alone. The truth is, even with regular exercise, some foods sneak into our diets and silently sabotage our progress. But today, we're exposing the top 10 foods you must avoid to melt that belly fat faster. And guess what? If you stick around till the end, I'll share 6 powerful fat-fighting foods that help you shrink your waistline and boost your metabolism naturally. But before we begin, a quick reminder. Always talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian before making any major dietary changes. Everyone's body is different, and what works for one might not work for another. Belly fat, also known as visceral fat, isn't just about aesthetics. It's a health warning. It surrounds your organs, increases inflammation, and puts you at risk for heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even certain cancers. The good news? A few simple changes to your diet can make a massive difference. Let's kick things off with the worst offenders. The foods you need to toss out ASAP if you want a flatter stomach. 1. Sugary beverages. Soda, sweet tea, sports drinks, flavored coffee. Let's start with the biggest belly bloat of them all, sugary drinks. Did you know that just 1 can of soda can have more sugar than the recommended daily limit? That sugar spikes your insulin, stores fat around your belly, and keeps your cravings alive. And no, diet soda isn't safe either. It can mess with your hunger hormones. So swap that sugary sip for sparkling water, unsweetened iced tea, or simply water with lemon. Pro tip: if you crave sweetness, try infusing your water with berries or mint. It's refreshing and supports fat loss. 2. White bread and refined grains. White bread, pastries, pasta, crackers. White bread may taste comforting, but it's a trap for your belly. Stripped of fiber and nutrients, refined grains cause a rapid spike in blood sugar and insulin levels. Your body's cue to store more fat, especially around your midsection. Instead, go for whole grains like oats, quinoa, and brown rice. They're fiber-rich and keep you feeling full longer. Reminder: don't switch without medical advice. Some people may need to limit grains altogether based on their health needs. 3. Fried foods. French fries, fried chicken, onion rings. Delicious? Yes. Dangerous? Absolutely. Fried foods are drenched in unhealthy trans fats that clog arteries and increase abdominal fat. They're not just bad for your heart. They slow down digestion, inflame your gut, and encourage fat storage. Instead, bake, air fry, or grill your favorites for the same crunch without the belly bulge. For alcohol, especially beer belly is real. Ever heard of the beer belly? It's no myth. Alcohol, especially beer, is loaded with empty calories, messes with your hormones, and slows your metabolism. Plus, impairs your body's ability to burn fat. Cut out alcohol for a healthy lifestyle. 5. Packaged snacks, chips, cookies, crackers. Chips and cookies may seem harmless, but most packaged snacks are high in salt, sugar, and trans fats. They lead to bloating, weight gain, and increased belly fat. Triple threat. Swap them with homemade snacks like air-popped popcorn, roasted chickpeas, or a handful of nuts. 6. Ice cream and sweetened dairy ice cream. Flavored yogurt, milkshakes. Dairy isn't the enemy, but sweetened dairy is. Ice cream and sugary yogurts pack in tons of sugar, fat, and artificial ingredients. This combo spikes insulin and stores fat right around your waist. Go for unsweetened Greek yogurt with berries for a protein-rich, gut-friendly treat. 7. Processed meats. Bacon, sausages, deli meat. They might be tasty, but processed meats are loaded with sodium, preservatives, and saturated fat. Studies show they're linked to weight gain, belly fat, and higher risk of chronic disease. Try plant-based proteins or lean meats like grilled chicken or turkey breast instead. 8. Baked goods and pastries. Donuts, muffins, cakes. These sweet treats are a double whammy, high in sugar and refined flour. They cause massive insulin spikes and fat storage. Plus, they leave you hungry shortly after eating. If you must indulge, make your own with natural sweeteners and whole grain flours. 9. Breakfast cereals. Especially healthy-looking ones. Don't be fooled by clever marketing. Most cereals, even the healthy ones, are packed with sugar and low in fiber. That means a sugar crash is coming, followed by cravings and fat gain. Choose steel-cut oats or homemade granola with nuts and seeds instead. 10. Pizza and fast food high in refined carbs, sodium, fats. It's tasty, it's quick, and it's terrible for your belly. Pizza and fast food are high in empty calories, refined carbs, and processed ingredients. They spike insulin, disrupt digestion, and encourage belly fat accumulation. Home-cooked meals are always better. Make your own healthy pizza using a whole wheat base, lots of veggies, and light cheese. 11. Fruit juices, even 100% natural ones, orange juice, apple juice, detox juices. Surprised? Fruit juice, even the ones labeled 100% natural, are often just pure sugar with the fiber stripped away. Without the fiber to slow sugar absorption, juice causes insulin spikes and encourages belly fat storage, just like soda. Instead, eat whole fruits to get the fiber and feel full longer. Your belly will thank you. 12. Energy bars and protein bars, store-bought protein, or energy bars. Many protein or energy bars are candy bars in disguise. Packed with sugar, artificial flavors, and low-quality protein, they spike blood sugar, create cravings, and can cause fat to pile around your midsection. Read labels carefully, or better yet, make your own using oats, nut butter, and chia seeds. Now that you know the 12 worst foods for belly fat, are you ready to find out which foods actually fight that stubborn fat? Stay tuned, because next we're diving into 6 superfoods that can flatten your belly and boost your health naturally. And remember, always talk to your doctor before making any big dietary changes. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs a little belly fat breakthrough. And don't forget to subscribe for more health-boosting, life-changing tips every single week. Oh, and one last time, consult your doctor before changing your diet. Your health deserves professional attention. Eat smart, live better, see results. Subscribe for weekly health insights. Like, comment, subscribe.